Hi, my name is Ray, and I will be documenting a guitar that I'm busy working on. My background is a machinist, and so I'm going to put some of my skills and some of my equipment to that end, and we'll see what happens, so stick around. So what I did was I drew up the guitar like I wanted. It's, as you can see, it's in the shape of a gun. It's going to be kind of a theme guitar. These are some of the different views. So I took the measurements off the existing guitar. This would be actually be a back or rear view of the guitar, and here we have some of the profiling views. So I need these dimensions because I'll be putting the numbers into the CNC mill, which is, essentially designed for machining metal, but it'll machine wood just fine too. So I get all the information off my drawing, which I did, and put those XY coordinates in and write a program and see what we end up with. This is this guitar was for sale on eBay. It's a Hondo, made in the mid-80s, where I have picked up kind of my inspiration for this. This guitar is being built for a gentleman that is going to put it in his store. Another back shot of the back side of the guitar. And I have some prints that I'll be working off of. These are for the CNC program. So I have a bunch of these. And I'll be working off of. There's a view of the completed guitar, the body and pickups, and then the neck. This is the neck I'll be using. I also picked this up off of eBay. Picked up I think 2 or 3 of these. It's a Fender Squire from a store that sells second damaged or seconds, and reasonable price. I think I paid about $35 for 3 necks. And I'm probably going to modify it a little bit. I don't know if you can see where I scribed a line there, but I'm going to take away some of the Fender look to the headstock. And other than that, this one should go on like I plan. This is the body. I actually glued a couple of pieces of 3/4 inch plywood together because I wanted to run a test piece first before I worked with the finished product. And it's a good thing that I did. I had a couple of minor issues, but here we can see the pocket for the neck, the 2 single coil humbucker, and here's for the tremolo bridge. I'll be mounting the tone pots and the volume controls in this area, and over here we're going to have the output jack. I'll be using a Stratocaster type output jack. And as you can see, I pocketed out the back side, and I'm going to use the wood here to support the pickups, and I'll make a cover plate for this. Machined a groove here so I can gain access to the output jack, and before I finish the guitar, I'll glue in a strip here to seal that up from the back side, and also make a cover here for the where the controls will be located. This is our donor guitar. That's Ibanez. Picked it up off of eBay for like $25 or $30, and my intentions were to take this guitar apart and reuse the electronics and the bridge assembly and stuff. It's a good thing. What I did find out was that the humbucker on this one is dead. So I discarded that idea, but it was nice to get the dimensions that I needed for like depth of the neck pocket in relationship to the top surface and some stuff like that. So, and also it was handy to get out the measurements for the tremolo tailpiece and that kind of stuff. Like I said, I'll be using, here's my pickups. I got them out of a Strat type import guitar, a couple of single coils and a humbucker. Here's going to be my selector switch, my output jack, and my volume and a tone pot set up like a basic Stratocaster. And I went down to my local lumber yard and picked up some solid maple and glued these together. So this will be the body of the guitar. So it'll be 1.5 inches thick approximately, and it's about 24 inches in length and about 13 inches in width. And this should work out. I'll clamp it down in the machining center and see what we can do with her. So this is a machine. This is what's going to be running the guitar. So just wanted to give you a shot before I get it fired up. And I'll be clamping it down, and it'll be about a 3-step process. I'll be doing the pockets first, and then the outside profile, and then I'll turn the part over and do the backside.